Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 2D sketching exercises. Exercise number 7. First, select the new part. Now pick front plane for sketching. Now underline, select center line and draw a vertical line from the origin. Specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. Now select the line command and draw the outline of the 2D profile as given in the manual. Then specify the dimension of the profile using Smart Dimension command. Specify all those dimensions as per the manual. Once the sketching is completed and it is fully defined, now select mirror entities and specify the entities to be mirrored. Then select the mirror axis as the center line drawn from the origin. Then give OK. Now remove the baseline of the part and two vertical small lines as the base. Then draw a line from the base and connect it angular with the other end of the part. Now specify the angle of taper by drawing a center line from the origin towards the left and specifying its dimension using Smart Dimension command. That's it, our sketch is completed.